Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and this is a new Solstice 230. So the 23-foot Solstice, they make this boat in two sizes, 23, 25 foot. The main difference between the two is this front bow seating. On the 250, it's about 1.5 feet longer than it is on the 230. So new upholstery this year, new inlays, new backrests, trimmed up definitely a little bit more than what the 2024 model was. New stitching on the mouse hole cutouts where your cup holders are. There's also USB ports in there as well and a USB-C. LED lighting on this one. This one doesn't have batteries in it yet, but the LED lighting is going to be underwater, under the rub rail, under the seats, in the cup holders, and in the speakers. So lit up everywhere. You can get it lit up from the factory. In-floor storage, which is nice. Storage underneath all of your seats all the way around. This one was ordered with the optional flip-up table. I really like it because a lot of people end up not using the side gate anyway. You can slide your cooler underneath here, and you've got a nice bar or countertop over here on the side. Raised helm. This one does have the twin Simrad screens as well as the big stereo. So the JL Platinum stereo is going to get you extra subwoofer and an extra amplifier. That Platinum package is going to get you, the Tech Package 2 is going to get you the second Simrad screen. This does have a convenience package, so it's going to get you the upgraded steering wheel. This was also ordered with a manual tower and a full bimini. So this boat is going to have shade from nearly the back of the boat, almost all the way to the front. This is a SL floor plan, so you get your rear-facing chase lounge, flip-down armrest, one of the most comfortable seats on the house. This seat also can flip back and forth, so if you want to sit facing forward, you can, or if you want to flip it like this while you're pulling the kids on the tubes and skis, has a 250 horsepower V8 on the back of it, so this boat will get up and move. Plenty of horsepower to pull kids on the tubes, the skis, all of that. If you remove this cushion, and it'll store underneath this backrest, but if you remove that cushion, you can also take this and flip it down flat to use the whole back area. Back here is a sun pad. Or you also have a little kick-up backrest here that allows you to use this as a forward-facing chase if you want to. Built-in cooler underneath the outside. I like it. It's fiberglassed in. It'll drain directly down into the lake. So when you get done, just pull your drinks out of it, wipe it out, you're good to go. The ice is just going to melt and drain right down through the bottom. New ski tow bar, a little bit higher capacity than it used to have for pulling the big, the big tubes, the big skis. This does have the submersible swim platform, so when you flip this down, it'll seat about 8 inches underneath the surface of the water, make it real easy to sit down in the water. Or if you go boating with dogs or pets, dogs and pets can certainly use that to get in and out. When you flip it up, when it's not in use, it'll look just like this one here on the side, just kind of flips up out of the water. Lily pad ladder we ordered on this one. Strap to lift it up to deploy it. The rungs are easily twice as wide as the ladders in years past. They reach a little further down into the water, and they also go out at about a 45-degree angle, which is kind of about the angle of your stairs at your house. So easiest ladder in the world to get in and out of the water with. And the stern safety fencing. So these are going to hold your fenders. So your fenders can stow right here in the side. This makes it legal to sit back here while the boat's underway, so really important to have stern safety fencing. So if you have any questions about this or any other boats you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.